One little duck goes sliding down. What fun to start! A splash of joy, a happy sound, and laughter from the heart.
Two little ducks go sliding down, feathers bright and blue. They giggle loud and tumble round. Now we've counted two.
Three little ducks go sliding down, quaking wild with glee. Over the bump they twist and spin.
Now we've counted three. Four little ducks go sliding down, racing through the door. One more climbs and joins the slide. Now we've counted four.
Five little ducks go sliding down. What a sunny drive! Splishing, splashing, one by one.
Now we've counted five. Six little ducks go sliding down, bouncing just for kicks. One more joins the bubbly fun. Now we've counted six.
Seven little ducks go sliding down, sparkles in the heaven. A swirl of water, wings go flap.
Now we've counted seven. Eight little ducks go sliding down, feathers shine and skate. They swoosh and spin, then giggle loud. Now we've counted eight.
Nine little ducks go sliding down, under bright sunshine. One more quacks, I'll join you too.
Now we've counted nine.
10 little ducks go sliding down, all in one long line. They splash, they cheer, they wave to us.